Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to change the language app in the Taobao app. If you are on mobile, open the Taobao app and tap on the profile tab at the bottom right corner here. This one is the profile. Then tap on settings, which should look like a gear icon, usually near the top right. Here it is. Since the app is in Chinese by default, I recommend using Google's Translate camera mode to translate the menus in real time. Now in the settings, scroll down until you see something that says country region. This one basically. Tap it and choose your country. After saving that, go back and refresh the app. Then return to the same settings menu. And then you can see the option of language or language currency options. Tap it and select English from the list. Here it is. Once you save the changes, the app will restart or reload with English as the default display language. Here you can see it's now changed. Don't forget to use the Google Translator camera. It will be easier for you to understand. And that's it. If this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe and check out more tutorials right here on the channel.